How to remove Facebook account from Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Here, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Account Center, which is the first option in here. Click on Profiles, or you can simply scroll down. You'll find Manage Accounts. Click on Manage Accounts. You'll find all these options. Select Facebook Manage at the top. Click on Move out of this account center. Press on Move. As you can see, you will lose access to connected experiences. This will not delete or deactivate your account, so click on it. Press on Continue. And after you do that, it will be removed. And this is how to remove Facebook account from Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.